Conair LED lighted mirror. 1x magnification. Style hair with your reflection shown at actual size in a standard view of the crystal clear mirror. LED lighting. Lifetime energy-saving LED bulbs won't ever dim or die, so you never need to worry about replacing them. Slim, modern design. Tablet-style mirror has a large 8.6 to 5x 5.1 to 5 viewing area and sturdy support stand to keep it at the ideal angle on a vanity, bathroom counter, or desktop. Touch control. Gently tap the button on the mirror to turn on the light at its lowest setting. Tap it again to change between medium and high, then back to off mode. Battery operated. Mirror lights are powered by 4AA batteries not included for long-lasting illumination that won't dim or dull.